Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about error functions in Excel. I'll get some definitions out of the way and then I'll go to an Excel spreadsheet to show you an example. The two functions we're going to look at today are IFNA and IFERROR. IFNA lets you add a message when a formula returns an NA error. This error shows up when Excel can't find the value you asked it for. So if you're using a lookup function like VLOOKUP or match, you get this error if Excel can't find your lookup value. IFERROR does kind of the same thing, but it will let you show a message for any error. This includes the NA error, but also includes division by zero and the value error, which is just when you try to use the wrong data type, like trying to add numbers with words. So now let's see how we can use these two functions in an example. This is the function for looking up someone's age based on their name. VLOOKUP is beyond the scope of this video, but as you can see, we're trying to figure out how old Claire is. And from this table, we know that Claire is 18. If we want to extend this to Emily, we can drag down our function and change Claire to Emily. But now we have this NA error, and this is because Excel couldn't find Emily in our table, and obviously she's not there. We don't want to keep this error because it's not very user-friendly. People might not know what NA means. So instead, we should use a message. We can copy this and put the VLOOKUP function in an IFNA function. If we add a message such as person not found, then now we see person not found instead of our error, which is what we want. To make sure this formula works, we can drag down our formula and change Emily to Abby. Abby, who is in the table, is 12 years old, and this is exactly the answer we got. Now let's look at an example for IFERROR. Let's say we want to find the ratio between the people in the house versus the pets in the house. To do this, we would divide the value in column C by the value in column D. If we drag this formula down, we can see that there's a little bit of an issue. Much like how we didn't want our NA error, we don't want this division by zero error. And this is because, again, it's not very user-friendly. If we want to add a message, instead, we can use IFERROR. So now, if we use the same formula, and a message such as, there are no pets in the house, if we drag this down, we can see that this takes care of our division by zero error and gives us a nice message instead. That is all I have for today. I hope you learned what the error functions do in Excel, and I hope you can apply them to your own Excel spreadsheets. Thank you for watching.